What's up, everybody? So my fork completely went out on me. I'm sure the wreck didn't help. So I swapped one out with a spare bike that I had. Which I need to get some lube for. But I'm just going to get a triple tree fork. Got to save up for that. But right now I'm just trying to hustle and pay my bills. So other than that, my clutch, I've replaced my clutch cable with a cable from the spare bike. And I finally got it installed right, I think. So hopefully it stops giving me trouble. Other than that, I'm just out doing Uber Eats. And I thought I would record a little monologue talking to the camera, explaining what happened. It took me 2 days to fix my fork because the lock nut was rusted on. So I just was using a PB blaster for 2 days. I didn't want to get the torch to it, but I finally had to use the torch. So if I had used the torch, it only would have taken me, I don't know, like an hour. But at least I know my bearings are all greased up and everything. So
Thanks for watching.